Genetics, one of the important chapters in biology. Genetics deals with our genes, DNA, genetic material. General DNA is considered as genetic material. So all our character what we have, we get it from our parents, and it is because of genes present in our body. A person is called as father of genetics. His name is Gregor Johann Mendel. G. J. Mendel. He just carried out some experiment on garden pea plant. Its scientific name is Pisum sativum. Pisum or Pisum sativum. He carried out several experiments on this plant and he just explained the result, and those results, and based on that result he gave some laws. Now first of all the question comes, why did he select pea plant for his experiment when there were so many other plants? What made him to select Pisum sativum only for his experiment? There are some reasons. Let us make list of those reasons. Reason number 1. These garden pea plants can be easily grown in the field or in the pot. Point number 2. It has very short life cycle. What's the benefit of having short life cycle? When the life cycle is very short, easily or quickly it grows, produces flower, we get fruit from that seed, we can sow that seed and we can see what will happen in the next generation. Third one. Garden pea plant produces bisexual flower. And what is the benefit of bisexual flower? When a flower is of bisexual condition, we can go for cross pollination as well as self pollination. Fourth one, this plant can produce large number of seeds, and when we get large number of seeds, our result for next generation will be nearly accurate. And moreover, there were many important contrasting characters. So these were the reasons why he selected Pisum sativum or garden pea plant for his experiment. Point number 1, it can be easily grown in the pot or in the field. Point number 2, it has very short life cycle. Point number 3, flower is of bisexual nature, so flower can be self-pollinated or cross-pollinated. It can produce large number of seed which can give us accurate result. And there are many contrasting characters that can be well utilized during hybrid experiment. So because of all these reasons, he selected garden pea plant. Now let us see which were the contrasting characters he considered for his experiment. So what I'll do, I'll make 2 columns, 3 columns, serial number, characters and contrasting trait. Contrasting traits. First one, stem height. Second one, flower color. Third one, flower position. Fourth one, seed color. Fifth one, seed shape. Pod shape. And seventh one, pod color. So these are the 7 characters he considered. Now for each character, there will be 2 contrasting traits like stem height, that is height of the plant, tall, short or dwarf. Like this, tall or dwarf. Flower color, violet or white. Flower position, axial, terminal. Seed color, yellow, green. Seed shape, round, wrinkled. Pod shape, inflated, constricted. Finally, pod color, green, yellow. See, there are 2 options for each character. Those are called as traits. Those are considered as traits. Now, for example, if you take stem height, plant can be tall and dwarf. Flower color, 2 types of flower available, violet, white. Flower position, from where the flower comes out, axial or terminal. Terminal means at the tip. Seed color, yellow color seed, green color seed. Seed shape, round or wrinkled. Pod means that fruit. Pod shape, inflated or constricted. Pod color, green, yellow. Okay. And these 2, out of these 2 traits, one is considered as dominant, the maximum one, dominant, and another one is considered as recessive. So like this, he had considered 7 characters or 7 contrasting traits for his experiment.